So if you're trying to figure out how you can view your Snapchat message history, then keep on watching because I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. So as you can see here, Donald Trump, if we go to chats, you can see Donald Trump has just sent hi. Now, if I exit out and then click chats again, you can see that the hi has disappeared, and then we'll never ever have a chance to see that hi again. So what you can do is, number one, go to their profile and then click on the 3 lines right here. Now what you want to do is click on chat settings, and then now you want to change the delete chats to after 24 hours after viewing. So now what's that going to do is basically you're going to have 24 hours to see the chat, and basically you have more time to see what the chat is. So I'm just going to reply back with a hi. So now that we're back to our other account, as you can see, my alt account has sent me a chat. And now we have 24 hours to see the message. However, what I recommend you to do is if you want to save something, then you want to press and hold it. And then now you want to click on save in chat. Another method to save a chat is simply just to click on it, and they'll just automatically save it as well. So this is what I would recommend you to do if you want to see past messages. And basically Snapchat will just keep those messages saved forever on your account as long as you don't unsave them like that. Subscribe.